In this quick guide, I'll show you how to view and use multiple Chrome tabs side by side using a split screen extension. I'll show you guys how to do it. Open up Chrome and click on the three dot on the right and select extensions and select visit Chrome Web Store. In search, you just need to type split screen and press enter. Select the first split screen for Google Chrome and select add to Chrome option and select add extension and select this puzzle icon and pin this split screen for Google Chrome. Now select the split screen extension icon and select the split screen you want. For example, I'm gonna select this 4. That's how you can do it, guys. Now you can able to use 4 tabs at a time. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.